Okay, don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share, give it likes. This is what I'm gonna show you. Malacaris. Malacaris. And in case I want to. Hi. Hi. I see you got some meat over there. Can I have some? Yeah. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. It's okay. It's all right. I just want a little bit. It's all right. Just a little bit. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Steak bun. Same steak bar that goes.
And if excuse me, and if they're a little older, it's okay too because they're for my puppy. They're for, yeah.
For your puppy?
Yeah. That's why you see me coming over.
I have more, but
Yeah.
all went today. We
Oh,
closed
okay.
everything early
Yeah,
for
yeah.
the holiday.
That's why you see me coming to get a lot, you know, because you probably think they eat a lot of that and they don't get like this. You know what I mean? No, but we don't. You know, it's for
What
the.
kind of puppy?
It's a Shih Tzu meat with Cocker Spaniel. Yeah, it's a yeah. I will show them to you, but I don't know if I got pictures with my daughter. With my daughter, let me see. I'll show you. I'll try to show you. Let me see. Let me see. Where is it? Which? Oh, what's going on? Oh, I don't think he lets me. He
You
let
may
me.
not have reception in the building, yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah, right there. Yeah, right there. Look it right there. Oh, he won't let me. Do you have reception?
She might.
Really? Oh yeah, because you have to have the
I think they have Wi-Fi here.
They do.
I think they do, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you pictures of the puppy, but yes, I guess. Yeah, right there. I'm supposed to be right there.
Yeah, I think if you go into your settings, Malacaris has a Malacaris.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Malacaris like this.
You go there.
Yes, right there.
Go to
right
your
there.
Wi-Fi.
Look at oh, no wonder because I was
Wait,
not
not
connected.
that one. Not that
Oh,
one.
another one.
That one.
Oh, okay. And so I'm there now.
Wait till it pops up with the little check mark.
And then you'll say, oh, I'm okay.
And it should be okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So now you have the
I could
Wi-Fi,
go-
so maybe it'll work now.
It will work
Yeah.
perfectly fine,
Yeah.
hopefully, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, there it is now. All I gotta do is look for my pictures. Watch
Yeah.
it. I'll show you my pictures. I want to show you the puppy. This is a video right there, a picture right there. This is a puppy.
Oh my God, he's so cute.
Yeah, there he is.
Oh my God, he's so adorable.
Yeah.
He's a small little thing, Autumn.
Yeah. Come on, I'll show you. Tor, come on. Oh, you're in schedule? Yeah. Oh, you're in schedule.
You found it?
Yes, look it. I want to show you. Look it. This is my daughter that you see me.
Yeah, you come
see me
in with her,
a
yeah.
lot. That's the puppy right there.
That's what you get the meat ends for?
Yeah, yeah.
She eats them all?
Yeah, he eats them all. He's a boy.
Yeah.
He's a boy here. Yeah, right there. We took him to New York. Yeah, he was having fun. He was having fun over there. Look at him. So you see me coming a lot.
There you
That's
go.
because of him. That's because of him. You know.
Yeah, that's
And then
pretty.
we got,
It's good a dog has a home and they're not in a shelter.
Yeah. And then they say don't give them those pebbles. The dry food is not good. It's not good for them because it's only dry. You know.
Yeah.
They don't have all the good stuff. You know, like
Yeah.
regular food like
well,
this.
we have over here. I don't know if you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me see.
There's dog cookies.
Yeah.
Dog cookies for dogs.
Oh, okay. Yeah. No, yeah. We got the big bag. The big bag.
We have these
Yeah,
here for dogs.
Oh yeah. We got the big bag, but I rather this. You
Yeah.
know?
Well,
Yeah.
just to let you know we have it.
No, yeah. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're very kind. I appreciate it. Thank you. I'm gonna go this way. Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you. Oh Lord. Oh, these ones. Oh, my gosh. More vegetables than anything else.
Okay, go ahead. There you go. I told him I don't have much money left to sell him. I maybe $20 left for another month. I mean, next week, rather. But I don't need that stuff anyway. I help the kids out. If I have left almost to the end of the week,
Yeah. There you go, dear.
how do you fix that? That's not gonna get like infected. I literally, I cut the inside of my finger. No, that's not gonna get infected or anything. I don't know how I did it. I freaking whacked it off a some, and next thing you know, it started bleeding.
926.
Okay.
Freaking hurt, man. Wash it with soap and water. You think it'll get under there? Oh yeah. I've been having trouble with my fingers, so the fact that I did this, I'm trying so hard not to say any words. It hurt.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you. You too. Where are you? You're supposed to be celebrating 4 July. Oh, 4 o'clock? Oh, okay. Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye. 4 o'clock. Oh, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. I'm back, baby. I'm back. Dada's back, baby. Dada back. Look, Dada got arms for baby. Yum yum. Yum yum. Look. Yum yum for my baby. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum. Yum. Yum 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 for baby. Yum 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 for baby. Eat it, yum yum yum, right here.